Hello everyone, my name is Dinara Savina. I'm from Dinara Informatica University and my student number is 6325110 and my class is 631A05. In this video, I'm going to show you my opinion about smoking in campus area and how to use classroom words in English. In my opinion, smoking should be banned on campus area. No student or staff member should be able to do smoking that puts someone else's health at risk. And campus is a place where students study, so we must keep the environment clean and safe so students feel comfortable. Campus is also a public area, and there are non-smokers on campus. Non-smokers will definitely feel uncomfortable if they inhale cigarette smoke. When non-smokers breathe in second-hand smoke, what we call passive smoking, it isn't just unpleasant for them, it can damage their health too. Passive smoking itself is at risk of pneumonia, heart disease, and stroke. Therefore, I'm against smoking on campus area. Cigarettes contain tobacco leaves. All forms of tobacco use are harmful, and there is no safe level of exposure to tobacco. And cigarette smoking is the most common form of tobacco used worldwide. And if campus allows smoking on campus area, I'm sure there will be cleanliness problems on campus because many smokers will throw cigarettes butts carelessly, which makes the environment dirty and unpleasant to see. And the image of campus as an educational environment will be tarnished. In my university, Dinara Informatica, smoking is prohibited on campus area. And as students, they must obey it to create a healthy and comfortable campus environment. I hope other universities will also apply the same regulation, so all students in every campus can enjoy a fresh, smoke-free atmosphere. After all, a healthy environment supports a brighter future for everyone. Thank you so much.
Today we are going to learn about question words. What is question words? Question words are words we put at the start of question to ask for particular information. They are sometimes called WH words because in English most of them start with WH. The answer to question words provide the information that we ask about. For example, what are you doing? The answer is, I'm watching a movie. When does this party start? It starts at 8 p.m. Next. These are the most common question words in English. Okay, let's look at the difference. First, who. Who is only used to refer to a person or people. For example, who is your boyfriend? Who told you that story? Next, whom. Used to ask about people, object, or verb. For example, whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Next, whose. Used to ask about possession. For example, whose bag is this? Whose dog is barking loudly? Next, what. Used to ask about things. For example, what is making that sound? What do you want for lunch? Where. Used to ask about places. It means I want to know the place. For example, where is my handphone? Where should I go? Next, when. Used to ask about time. For example, when are you leaving? When is your sister's birthday? Next, why. Used to ask about reasons or causes. It means I want to know the reasons. For example, why is he angry? Why do you want to learn English? Next, which used to ask about choice. For example, which color do you prefer, black or blue? Which one do you choose? Next, how used to ask about manner or process. For example, how do you bake a cake? How did you get to the airport? How can also be used in other ways. How much used to ask about uncountable quantities or price. For example, how much does this skirt cost? How much water should I drink? How many used to ask about countable quantities. For example, how many bags are there? How many tickets do we need? Okay, let's practice. Number 1, we use blah 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 to ask about time. We use when to ask about time. Number 2, we use blah 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 to ask about reasons or causes. We use why. Number 3, we use blah 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 to ask about places. We use where to ask about places. Next practice number 1. Blah 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 is your name. My name is Hailey. Name is a thing. So we use what to ask about thing. Number 2. Blah 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 is he. He is my brother. Brother is a person. So we use who to ask about person. Who is he? He is my brother. Number 3. Blah 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 are you going now? I'm going to school now. School is a place. So we use where to ask about place. Where are you going? I'm going to school now. Okay. That's it for today's lesson, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.